Today I want to learn how when to mouse move over the text will be changed, and then mouse move away, the original content restored by using the CSS. So when I am creating the index file .html, here I am creating a one ID name text come inside a head text after content. Hello. Inside head create first style. Sorry, style inside create styles after text over after content document. Open with live server. Yeah, print this hello. Then when to move the mouse, hello document. When to mouse move away, then print the hello content original. Then yeah, using the CSS. Thank you.